Do you have this tiles issue at home before? Sharp edges and uneven surface. For tiles, usually the old school people, they will use like the hand cutter or the dry blade. But for us, actually, we are using a more chunkier machine. So we heavily invested into this automatically, cutting machine. So it comes with this railing and with the angle point where it cuts, exactly, there is no more precision into it. So that's why you gotta do like those sharp edges, or uneven or other chipping issues. So with this machine, actually, we cut it, everything will be perfectly fine. Okay, so ini the standard, developer bagi memang macam ni lah. The angle is like 90 degree like that kan. Okay, what we can actually offer for you is a different technique. Basically, this is one of the contractor, yang takkan buat untuk you one. Alright, which is the 45 degree angle. Okay, so where you see these two tiles, actually, it comes with a 45 degree in the middle. So actually, this will minimize the gap and it will look more nice in the whole picture. Alright, so basically this is a very hard to do things. Alright, so about the 45 degree, you won't get it, in a normal residential house. Maybe you only see it in a hotel. Okay, as you can see, alright, so the precision cutting is very important. So because when you are installing the tiles, you don't want those sharp edges. So this also is a skill and a kung fu very important. So one thing about this is, so you see this gap, this one we call it the 3mm gap. Alright, so why we are doing this, because this is not like a grade A style of tiles. Alright, so when it comes to tiles, actually we have three grades. We have grade A, we have grade B, we have grade C. So A is actually, the tiles is the most expensive one and is the most perfect one. So when you are touching it, it's very very smooth one. Okay, so yang tu kita akan boleh buat 0.5mm. 0.5mm actually it will look very very nice. So it's like one piece like that. Alright, so because it's like using grade B or grade C, so we will use like 3mm gap. But by using this gap, actually it will make the tiles become more even. Alright, so that's why you choose the right tiles. Choose the right grade is very very important. Now we're gonna share a little bit more deep into the tiling work. This is the Sika. This is usually used for sticking your tiles. Also, this is the secret sauce of our contractors. But what we are doing here is very very different. We're gonna add another one more layer. We will use the star flags and a cement. We're gonna put it into the tiles first. We apply one layer and let it dry. Then after that, only we will use the Sika to stick it into it. This will actually give you more solid tiles. By doing that, it will help you to prolong the life of the tile, and also it will become more durable. Alright, so this is the standard skirting lah. Alright, so when you're doing the tiles, you will see your house, you have this skirting here. Alright, so the reason we have the skirting here because we want to cover up the gap. Alright, but we do have a very different technique and skill to do this skirting. Alright, so this one is the next level tiling. Alright, so basically what we do is actually we have the side skirt here. Alright, and actually we tuck in these tiles beneath it. So this is what we call doing it in no skirting. Alright, so this is the effect after we have done. So you can see it actually it doesn't have a skirting and the tiles is put in perfectly nice inside. Okay, look at these beautiful tiles we have installed here. There is one secret about it. Alright, so actually our worker usually practice the standard practice where actually you follow the arrow and install it. So where you can see the pattern and the design is beautifully placed. Alright, so there is a lot of out there, where actually they doesn't really follow that. Alright, because it's done by these foreign workers. But what we do here, actually we do follow this, and actually very important. So when the result come out, we receive very even and very nicely patterned. If you are looking for quality tiles work, please come to Dreamhouz. Please follow, like and share, and stay tuned for more renovation secret.